All right, students, this is the video for the mini challenge backwards until far. Backwards until far. Using the ultrasonic sensor, program the robot to move backwards until it's far from the wall. Okay, let's see what the problem with this one was. Oh, I'm having a hard time. So the first step is we need to start by moving backwards, and then we need to have our sensor see when we're far from the wall, and then we need to stop. So it sounds like those are the steps for this problem. But how do I move backwards? I know. I could use this block and I could say move backwards for 5. I can move back. Oh. But it doesn't want me moving backwards for a certain amount of rotations. I'm curious. It doesn't want me moving backwards for a certain amount of rotations. Ignore that. Nice job. That was a glitch. It wants me to move backwards forever and have my sensor tell me when to stop. Oh, I know how to move forever. I could use start moving straight, and that'll make me move in a straight line forever. Oh, but I need to move backwards for this challenge. This challenge is about making my robot go backwards. But backwards is still kind of straight, isn't it? We're not turning, we're still going in a straight line. We're just not going in a straight line forwards. We're going in a straight line backwards. How can I tell it to go backwards instead of forwards? Oh, this might be a little confusing, but I see. I have my movement speed here, and I can go at 100% speed and go really fast. I can go at 50% speed and go like a little slower. I can go at 1% speed and go super, super slow. Super, super slow. Huh. But can I go so slow that maybe I go backwards? What do I do at 0% speed? At 0% speed, he just stops. Of course, that makes sense. But what if I tried -1 speed? Interesting. It seems like when you go at a negative speed, it actually spins the motors in the wheels backwards instead of forwards. So it's spinning them at the same speed. It's still spinning it at 1% speed, but it's doing it in the opposite direction. And that's perfect because that makes our robot go backwards. So if we want our robot to go backwards forever, what we could do is we could tell it to go straight, but we could set the movement speed to a negative. Oh, okay, so that seems to work. So let me try that. Wait, it's not working anymore. What just happened? Did I change something on the code? I just had it going backwards. Why is it going forwards again all of a sudden? Let me double check my code. Start moving straight, and then after we start moving straight, I need to set my movement speed to -50. So the way this code is running, I start the program, my robot's going to start going straight, and then he's going to change his speed to -50. But doesn't this -50 make him go backwards? Oh, I see. Our code blocks aren't in the right order. What's happening is that he's starting to move straight. He's given the command to go straight forever. And he defaults to his default speed. And then once he's already going straight, then we tell him, okay, set your movement speed to -50. But this doesn't happen. He doesn't actually start moving slower until next time we tell him to start moving straight. So we need to set the movement speed first and then tell the robot to start moving. Okay, that seems really helpful. Now there's one more step in this problem. We need to program the robot to move backwards until it's far enough from the wall. So we need to use the ultrasonic sensor. And let's see, is my distance going up or down? So I start at 13, and as I move backwards, it gets bigger and bigger. So I'll wait until my distance is greater than, because it's getting bigger and bigger, it's getting greater and greater. And once it's greater than a certain number, I'll tell my robot to stop. Let me try 40. Once it's greater than 40, I'll tell my robot to stop moving. Oh, okay, that looks like it works pretty well. This is what they want us to do. So my robot starts at 13. And once the number, the distance that he sees is greater than 40, he'll stop moving. This is the working code for this assignment. It says, oh no, because one of our numbers is a little wrong. We have a number that's not right. It wants us to stop a little sooner. Let's look at the instructions out here. Place a robot close to the wall. Program the robot to move backwards until the ultrasonic sensor reads a value greater than 30 centimeters. Okay, so it wants us to do 30. I think you guys will be able to fix that by yourselves, though. I think I'm going to end this and move on to the next video while you guys make sure this value is correct. Thank you, and I'll see you all in the next one.